Hi, I'm Dr. Armando Pineda Velez. I reside in Miami. I have my office, family practice in Miami. I've been in there for more than 11 years, and now I came to receive training in here with Empire Medical Training, which I found, I've been in another courses in the United States and abroad, and this training, because a friend of mine told me, is hands-on, and I wanted to be in here, and I really enjoy it. The doctor who was explaining to us about lasers was very deep in knowledge, and he knew how to teach, which is very important. Also, he taught us what is very important to know for us, very concise, precise, and the hands-on training also was very good. So I really enjoy it, and I think I want to start putting into practice what I have learned today. I feel confident.
So you do feel confident in implementing this in your practice then?
Yes, I'm looking forward to do this as soon as possible.
Perfect. Well, I appreciate you for coming out here to Empire Medical Training, and thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right.